Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is November the 10th, 2012. Okay, so I want to try to make a video here that everybody can understand here. Turn this stuff off here. Okay, so the Earth and the weather patterns on the Earth. You look at the weather patterns on the Earth. They show a lot. Okay, these weather patterns shape themselves to the land, basically. Valleys and mountains and things like that shape the weather, basically, into patterns that stay around for a while. Sometimes they don't, and they repeat themselves basically a lot. And I got this idea to take the moon surface and reverse it and overlay it onto the Earth. Basically, the reason why I wanted to do that was this circle here. See this big circle right here? Look at that. See the circle? Okay. Then look at the Marianas Trench. Okay, it's circular. That would be an impact right in the center, as you can see. Okay. Another impact. All this is all impacted right here. All this is all impacts by the moon. And I'm going to show you a few of them. A few of the really good ones. Well, they're all really good. I mean, they all line up and they all fit really well. And then I'm going to turn on the weather to show you, to confirm that these go here. I'm going to show you this one right now while I'm here. It's a good one too. I gotta go to find it here. Right here. Okay. This one right here. Looks really big, huh? I'm telling you, the moon's bigger because this will show that the moon is bigger as well. This is a reversed image, flipped over image of Mare Oriental Basin on the moon. It's on the side of the moon that we don't see. Sometimes we can see the little edge of it, but we don't see the side. It used to face the Earth, though, obviously, because it's hit the Earth a bunch of times. And this is one of them areas right here. The center of the impact is right here. And I found this impact with the weather. This right here, this overlay right here, this weather pattern I saw up here next to North America right here. See that? That weather was right there. I brought that weather down to here, and you can see. Look at this. Look at the way this weather kicks out right here. See the way it kicks out right here in the corner. Look at the ocean right there. See the same thing in the ocean floor right here. This part right here. See that? So that showed something, and you look at this fit right here. Okay, fits really well, don't it? Okay, so anyways, there is an impact up here in this spot up by North America, an impact by the same crater, right? Same crater, so it leaves the same print up here by North America, right here. It leaves the same print up there, and the weather was showing it that one day, as it leaves right here in this spot right here. It leaves the same. This is what leaves that print right there. And you see up here, you got this angle. See the angles right here? These lines right here. Ocean floor. It's a perfect fit in the ocean floor. It was perfect. And the weather. Turn the weather on. The weather. Look at this weather. Look at this right here. See this right here? Oh wow, look at this. See that shape right there? Look at this. So the moon hits the Earth, leaves prints on the Earth. It leaves a big print on the Earth, and the weather is shaped. It conforms to the shapes on the Earth. Even if there's water over the top, it doesn't matter. As you can see, it doesn't matter. Look at that. Check this out down here. Pretty scary. I hope you understand what I'm saying. so the weather should fit the moon as well as the Earth, because it hits. If I got this accurately aligned on the Earth, this crater, then the weather will fit. Well, I didn't line this up with the weather. I lined this up. I lined it up with the weather, this number 7, but I lined this up and then I turned the weather on afterwards. This live weather. This is live streaming weather right here. So this. It could be different. Anytime I turn it on, it'll be different. And I just turned it on, and I didn't know what it was going to look like when I turned it on. So as you can see, look at this over here. This is a huge discovery. I mean, this is so huge, because this happens all over the place, all over the Earth, all over. This is right here in this spot on the ocean right here. Look at this. Fits very well. Okay, there's that one. Let's go on to another one. How about the Sandy one that I lined up with Hurricane Sandy? This one I lined up with Hurricane Sandy, right here. This one here I lined up with Hurricane Sandy the day that it was pretty much at its extreme, and I had the weather on, and it was totally different than this weather you see today. Totally different. You can watch the video on my channel that shows that Hurricane Sandy alignment, and it was totally different. But the crater is in the exact same position it was the day that I put it down. So look at the weather today. Just check out this weather today. Look at the curve. Look at this curve. Look at this cloud. That was not there the other day. What was there the other day was something that fit right inside here, and it came up like this, and it just fit perfectly. You can see it. You'll see. Watch the video on my channel. And then look at today. Live streaming weather. Crater's in the same position it was the day that I removed it. Same reverse image overlay. There you go. And it doesn't matter if the weather's over here tomorrow, it'll fit. Okay, so that's another one. Just check that out over the land. I'll show it to you over the land here. Hold on. Weather off. Okay. Over the land. Right here. Every bit of this picture fits. Every bit. Curve. Look at the curve. It curves right here in North America. Look. Right here. This is the curve. See the curve? It's right there. Center of the impact right here, and there's all the iron mills are up here, or iron mines are up here, iron ore, steel, everything up in that location up there. You can see that trace the Great Lakes. Everything fits really well in the weather. Just you see to turn on the weather, and then look at that. Look at that curve. Here, let's go and look at it close. Right here, there's a curve on the moon. Watch. Right here. See the curve? Watch. Look at the edge. It just goes right up through the edge. Same exact curve. Right in place. Okay, here's another one. This one here. Let's see which one. This one here. Okay, here's another one. I lined this one up without the weather. The day that I lined this up, I lined it up with the middle of this overlay, or middle of the impact is right. Excuse me. Right there at that volcano in the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, right there. That big volcano right there. Okay, that's the center of the impact. And I lined it up this shape with Romania right here. See that? And that fits there perfectly. And then you turn the weather on. I mean, I've showed this overlay before, so I'm just going to turn the weather on and show you that. Look at the curve. And all this. Look at this right here. All this. And it fits perfectly over the land. I mean, it's a guarantee. There's every bit of this picture shows that it fits here. I mean, I've looked it over so many times. You can see the weather shows I'm in the right place. Confirms it. I mean, look at this spot right here. This big spot right here. See that big spot right? See that big point right there? Look at that right there. Comes down here like this. Look at this part. Ooh, look at that. It goes. You can see this stuff here. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. All this in here. Look. See how all the lines and everything's going the way that it changes in the right spot. The angles are always all changed in the right spot. This angle right here, this line. Look at this line. See that line there? Over here. And it's hugging the inside of this. See this in here? Look. Look at that. So this is really important. I mean, it changes the size of the moon. It changes the geologic history of all the geologic history of the Earth. It changes all the ancient all of the history. It changes everything. It solves Stonehenge. It solves the pyramid. Now we know why they built pyramids. Because on the moon, this has a pyramid on the top of this crater, and it's hard to you can't see it in this picture, but if you go to like Google Moon, which is on the same program, it'll show you'll see the pyramid on top. It looks a lot smaller on Google Moon, I'll tell you that. I think the moon is the Mars-sized planet that hit the Earth. It is the Mars-sized planet that hit the Earth. The moon is. It's not the size they tell us. They never landed on the moon. It's probably further away than they fucking say too. Sorry, excuse my language. Always slips out. There you go. Look at that fit. Hope you can see that. You gotta have a big screen. You really do. I'm using a 42-inch screen, so I mean, it makes a big difference. There you go. There's that one. Okay, here's the next one. Let's see. The next one is this one. The weather don't show a whole lot on this one, but shows that that spot right there should be a little bit up, it looks like. Looks like probably that right there is probably right there. But other than that, you can see it's pretty damn close. Look at this area here. That same oval-shaped cloud. Look at the curve of the cloud. Or the weather there is the same as that shape. Stonehenge. That weather fit up there. Over here. And this is over the Sahara Desert. This one here is over the Sahara. This one you can see Italy right here. This was Italy right here. Look. Look at Greece. Greece is pretty cool too. You can see the lines that come through right here. This line that comes straight down to the Red Sea right there, towards the Red Sea. But you can see the angles in here. You can see like Romania there too, just like I showed you the other minute ago. It's the same. You can see that it's something there. How this goes here. Sure. Weather confirms it. You can see the weather right here. You can see this. The way it comes out of this crater like this to a point. And then if you were to overlap all these, look at this up here. Yeah, it was easier to see this one earlier, but that's a better day. Let's see what else we got. hiding something. They're hiding something right here. They don't need to do that. This whole area, no weather. They won't give you no weather right here. Although I found that weather pattern right here the other day that fit right. That's how I found the one in the Sahara Desert right here. That's how I lined that one up with the weather from down here. There was a weather pattern right here that I brought up to the Sahara. You can watch the video on my channel. Brought it to the Sahara, put it there, and then I put this over this, and then this fits just beautifully. See that? So, anyways, check it out. Just watch some of my other videos, and you see what I'm talking about. I just wanted to try to explain that in the beginning. You know, of why I started looking and how I've been looking for a long time. It took me a long time to get to this point. So, but I've gotten to the point where this is, you know, there's no question these are accurate. Moons hit the Earth. I hate to say it. More times than I've showed too. More times than this. All right. So have a good day.